Are you ready to elevate your real estate game? Imagine showing a home that sparkles like a diamond. With TidyTex Home Cleaning, a retired Army veteran-owned service in San Antonio, your listings will capture buyer attention instantly. We specialize in transforming homes, ensuring they shine brighter before open houses and visits. Realtors, we know how vital first impressions are. Our reliable, professional cleaning services help prepare properties, enhancing showings and accelerating sales. Quick turnarounds? Absolutely! We're flexible to meet your tight deadlines, so your listings are always show-ready. Here's a tidy tip for realtors. For little to no cost, open those blinds and turn on all the lights before a showing. A well-lit space makes homes feel warm and inviting, showcasing their best features beautifully. Let TidyTex take your listings from drab to fab, ensuring you close deals faster. We are committed to making every home look its absolute best. Ready to make a lasting impression? Check the video description for more details and contact us today to schedule your cleaning service. Let's make those homes shine together.